Okay, so who all loves summer? Just raise your hands.
Sorry?
Summer.
Summer season.
Yes. Okay. Okay, so this is for you. Okay. I remember those days when my dad used to come in the noon to have lunch and bring poly bags filled with ripe mangoes or sometimes raw mangoes. We used to eat a lot of mangoes back then, but now I don't. Sometimes I wonder why. And the reasons are maybe health issues. Well, these used to be back then as well, but we siblings never hesitated from eating what we loved. How can I forget the arm or carry panna? I was so excited when mom used to prepare it. I saw the whole process with curious eyes, learning the process diligently. How she used to boil the raw mangoes, then mash them, add cold water, cups of sugar, some spices, salt, roasted cumin seeds. Ah, my mouth is already watering. Sometimes she also prepared khatmiti, a sweet, sour, spicy savory of mango. When I grew up a little, I used to prepare it myself. I can clearly picture the scene. Dad has come home for the afternoon meal. All the curtains are drawn to make the room cool. The iron cooler is working at its best capacity, sometimes showering us with sprinkles of water. Dad is sitting on the bed, watching some movie, and I am sitting on the cool floor, pouring the panna in steel glasses and adding ice cubes, handling him the glass, which he then used to swiftly shake a little to melt the ice cubes, and then he drank it in one go, as if his throat is parched. I used to look at him expectantly, waiting for his appreciation for his daughter's culinary skills. The satisfied look and freshness on his face after finishing it said it all and made the little me very happy. I'm a big foodie. I love eating and feeding people by making different cuisines. I can never forget how much I yearn to hear loads of praises from my family whenever I prepare a mango shake or vegetable Maggie. Those yearning eyes and curious heart is still within me, and I'm glad it never died. Okay, so the next one is vacation time. It was almost the end of April when our summer vacations used to begin. Dad always used to book our village ticket months back so as to get reservations. We siblings started purchasing our journey snacks a week before. We used to buy different biscuits, chips, little hearts, gems, cold drinks, and so many other things. On the day of the journey, Ma used to prepare litti, a Bihari dish, boil grams with tomatoes, onions, cucumber, and some spices and fill thermos with yummy chai. Our train journey used to be of 25 hours approx, but we kids enjoyed every bit of it, from playing station name games to eating our snacks and finally seeing the sunrise at our station. The journey from station to our village was approx an hour. I'm able to picture my grandpa and grandma waiting eagerly for us. How we used to run and touch their feet as soon as we reached there, and they used to hug and bless us. I can never forget the pure happiness on their faces. My grandpa saying, Meri nati aa gaya. My dadiji feeding us lemon squashes. My little brother running angrily because we are visiting him after a year. My chachi ji so happy to see us all, and my chacha making his evergreen jokes. That was an era, literally, and that time can never be replaced. The days were followed by Bagicha visit to our nearby relative's house, visit to our village market in evening to have yummy samosa and buy rasna packets. My dadi and chachi feeding me the yummiest food. Interesting ghost stories told by granny. My elder sister and me getting all tan and getting acne breakouts and heat rash. All the siblings plucking mangoes and lychee and java plums from our and others' trees. Haha. I still remember an incident of getting caught. We also used to visit our maternal home where we were treated like some foreigner by village kids. And after a month of these carefree days, we had to go back with tearful eyes but filled pockets. The next one is lazy days. Are you even enjoying summer vacations if you hadn't slept like a sloth bear till 11 or 12 in the morning? I can hear my mom screaming angrily at us for waking up so late and dad cooling her down by saying, it's our vacay time. Do you recall the Nautapa days? How our parents strictly asked us to stay at home till 6 in the evening and made us drink aam panna, watermelon juice, and buttermilk to control heat effect on our body. I remember how my brother used to wait eagerly for the clock to strike 6 p.m. so that he can go out to play with his friends. Sometimes with dad or sometimes with my siblings, I used to go at an ice cream parlor and buy ice cream, family pack, different flavors each time, then reaching home and dividing the same equally in 5 parts. How we used to fight that the person who has distributed the ice cream has taken more share, and then our parents used to give us from their ice cream. There are many memories I have in my mind, different for each year as I grew up, but the above ones are the most common, which still happen. I feel sad looking how everything has changed gradually, how climate change has affected us all unknowingly. And now it is even visible. Rain, hailstorms in the month of May, temperatures soaring so high. It feels as if it is summer version 2.0. It's high time we think about our actions on this planet. Thank you. I have some